Let us see how to work on uppercase, lowercase, and proper case functions in Power Query in Power BI. Now, they are very simple, but still, you need to learn how to work on that. I have an example. You can see this table is there. Purposely, I've distorted the data. Usually, when you're working in a company, you never get a clean data. You have to clean that. 70% of your time goes in cleaning data. So here is an example. I have highlighted all the values in yellow color. You can see Vihan Kumar. You can see there's a double A, capital, double N at the end. There's a capital R. And here, if you see, there's a Den Check Puja. So at the end, a triple K capital, J a capital, and some are lowercase. So what do I want? I want to clean this data. Either all should be uppercase, either all should be lowercase, or in a proper case. How do we do that? So let's do that. The name of the table here is text upper lower. I have given the name here. Let me pick up this table into Power BI. So I'll close this file, get data, and click on Excel. So here I can select that file and click on Open, and I'll pick up that table here. You can pick up all the tables in one go, but I'm just repeating so you can understand properly again and again. You can practice that. So this is the table, text upper lower. Click on Transform Data. Now, once it is loaded into Power Query, I can show you how to work on those upper, lower, and proper. So number one, I'll select all the columns, whichever I want to modify. At the time, you can select many columns. If you want to select all the columns, you can press Ctrl+A from the keyboard and select all the columns in your table in your query. So I'll select these two columns, Transform tab, and here in the format, I have the first three options, lowercase, uppercase. So let me select lowercase. And if you observe, this has changed everything into lowercase. Okay, all the text into lowercase. I can click on Format and select uppercase here. So you see all the text has been converted. And the third one is capitalize each word. It's nothing but proper case in Power Query. So capitalize each word. First alphabet of every word would be capital. Okay, here capitalize each word. Now, I also think this prefix should be capitalize each word. Whichever steps you're doing, those are getting recorded here. You can see uppercase, then we have lowercase, and capitalize each word. So if you want, you can delete the steps if you do not require. You can delete those steps. And this name is not so good. I can just write as employee names. So this is actually a query name. Okay, this will actually be a query name. You can see query settings. This is a name here. When I click on File menu bar or Home menu bar, close and apply, then this particular query would be loaded. I will not call it as a table. This becomes a query now. So here you can see on the right hand side that it will be employee names, which are loaded here. You can see employee names. So I can go to a newer sheet and just scroll it like this. I can click outside, expand that employee name. I can drag the first name, I can drag the last name. And you can see it's properly aligned here, and you can use it. So first name, last name, these are like. I can expand and show you properly here. That's the first name and last name in the capitalized each word. Okay, that's it. So I hope you've understood how to work on upper, lower, and proper case in Power Query, Power BI.